Guys, super excited to be reviewing a new set of wireless earbuds. These are packed with features and are really quite smart. Why? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, these are the U-Air 4 wireless earbuds from a company called Bafuuy. Now first off, Bafuuy sent me these to review in exchange for my honest opinion, and as you know, if you follow my channel, whether I buy something myself or get sent it, you'll always get an honest review, good, bad or indifferent. So guys, before we get into the features of these wireless earbuds, let's get these unboxed. So pretty simple packaging. When you open the box, you've got the earbuds in their charging case with some accessories. Now, given that these are labelled sweat-proof, they're obviously geared towards exercise, and as a part of the accessories, you have some spare tips and also these kind of wing things which keep the earbuds in place. So if you're exercising, you're not going to lose them. Now, we also have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, so always love a bit of USB-C. And we also have some manuals, including a quick start guide. Then we've got the earbuds, the main event, these earbuds in their charging case, and that's pretty much it. Now, looking at the size of these earbuds, well, certainly the charging case, you can see that they're pretty big. Here's a comparison next to the Apple AirPods Pro. So you know what, they're going to be a little bit chunky in your pocket, but these earbuds apparently last for around 5 hours of music playback, and get this, around 95 hours of talk time. So yeah, listening to music, you get 5 hours, and phone calls, you're going to get 95 hours. Now, I don't actually even know how they achieve that, but I will be testing it. And you know what, don't worry about the size too much. I mean, if you carry a portable battery pack around for charging your phone, you know, they're pretty big, and what this charging case does enable you to do is to actually use it as a charger. So it's got a USB-A socket in the back, and it can be used as a charger to charge your other devices, and that's pretty cool. Also, the case has this cool LED strip which shows you the charge state of each earbud individually, so no guessing at how much charge you've got. That's pretty nice too. Looking at the earbuds, you have the tips and the wings. They have contacts on the bottom and are magnetic, so they just kind of click back into the case, so that's nice. They also have a whole array of controls that are all operated with touch, and you also get spoken confirmation, so you know exactly what's going on. Now, as I said, there's a ton of features, and going into every single one will certainly make for a very, very long video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at some of the key features, and if you guys want to see more, then just leave me a comment. So let's get these paired up first of all. I'm using an iPhone 13 mini, so pairing should be pretty easy, and there you can see it's all paired up. So checking out some of the controls, play and pause for music, tap the multifunction button on either earbud. Now if you want to turn the volume up, tap and hold the right earbud, and if you want to turn it down, yeah, you've guessed it, tap and hold the left earbud. Now if you want to skip a track forwards, double tap the right earbud, and if you want to skip backwards, double tap the left. Easy as that. Now for calls, to answer or hang up, double tap either earbud, and to reject a call, press and hold either earbud. Now if you want to activate Siri, as I've got an iPhone I can, then just triple tap either of the earbuds. So I know, a lot of tapping, right? But let's face it, most of us will probably just play music and maybe turn the volume up or down. So you don't really need to write all of these taps down. Some specs, well, the case takes 2 hours to charge. The earbuds about an hour and a half. By all accounts, you can charge these earbuds 17 times from the case, giving you around 100 total hours of music. And that is huge. And I will definitely try that out in another video. And also, they support a binaural stereo. By what? Yeah, well, on the packaging, these UAir 4s say you can get 5.1 hi-fi sound, and that's pretty much what binaural stereo is. It's a kind of 3D imaging that gives you the illusion of surround sound. Now, I tested this, and yeah, you know what, with certain tracks it sounded pretty interesting, but I'm a hi-fi enthusiast and I kind of like to listen to my audio as clean as possible, so no DSP trickery. But having said that, listening to them was pleasant and I didn't get any fatigue. They were comfortable to wear, and although I didn't exercise with them, they were pretty solid in the ear. And you know what? Wait for it. These cost about £30. £30. Trust me, this is damn good value for the sound and quality of these. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Bafuuy for sending me these UAir 4 earbuds to review. And if you're interested in buying these at all, I'll leave any links and discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Scenes for a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.